So I'll be taking my e.l.f. concealer and I'll be using it as a base for the eyeshadow and make sure it's bright to get all the pigment. And then after I blend it out, I'll be taking my Morphe M456 brush and my Blue Blood palette, shade Blue Monday, and I'll be packing that in. And with the Morphe M506 brush, I'll be blending that out. And then go into your James Charles palette and get that bright blue shade and pack that right next to it. So you want to blend that out to make sure that it's all blended seamlessly. I don't know how to explain it. And yeah, just keep blending that. Blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, Don't be afraid to go back in with the darker shade to make sure that it's blended seamlessly. Now I'll be going back in with my e.l.f. Camel Concealer and I'll be cutting the crease. This is a base for when you put your glitter. Back in with blending, I guess. Hope everybody's staying safe during these hard times. I'm here for you. Yes, blend that. Blend it, blend it, blend it. Blend it. Now I'll be taking my NYX glitter in shade GLI 06 and some chunky glitter I got off of Amazon with my NYX glitter primer, and I'll be priming my eyelid. Then I'll be taking a flat brush and I'll be packing in the glitter to make sure it's enough glitter. After that, make sure you rub off any excess glitter so nothing falls in your eyes. We don't want to go blind, do we? Blind for a makeup look, do we? No, we don't. This is my first voiceover, so don't clock me. Get back in with that, yes. Now I'll be taking my e.l.f. liner and my NYX white eyeliner, and I'll be doing a wing. I'll be taking my Mega Volume Wet n Wild concealer and I'll be doing my eyelashes. Now I'll be going with Blue Monday and tuck that under the waterline after you do your black waterline eyeliner. And I'll be putting on my lashes from Amazon. Oh my god, I did that so quick. Oh my god, I usually take hours. And then you want to take a nude lip liner on those dry ass lips. Yes, I know you licked your lips when I said that. And you want to outline it as sharp as you can. Then go on with your Fenty gloss in shade Fussy. And yeah, moisturize them dry ass lips. Moisturize. Moisturize. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I put on my earrings, my denim shirt like I did in the picture, but here's the look. Subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, JeffreeStarcosmetics. Follow me on Twitter, beauty_dreams with a Z. And yeah.